Welcome, today we're going to show you how to enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your laptop. So first you need to open the start menu, so you need to use the Windows key. After that you need to search for CMD or command prompt. As see from here, you need to click on it and now the command prompt will open. So from here you need to write this exact code. So you need to write net sh space wlan space show space drivers. As see from here, you need to write this exact code. So from here you will see this option. It says radio types supported, as see from here. So you need to have the 802.11a or 802.11ac. If you have these two options, that means your PC or laptop supports the 5 GHz. You need to make sure that it has this option. If not, you need to try to do these options. So open the start menu, then search for device manager. As see from here, you need to click on the device manager. Now from here you need to go to network adapters. So you need to right click on the Wi-Fi adapter and then click on update driver. Click on search automatically. Now if it has a new update, it will install, and if you have the latest installation, it will tell you the best drivers for your device are already installed. So you need to right click again and go to properties. From here you need to go to the advanced option. So from here you need to go to these options, as see from here, and make sure that you have chosen this exact value, as see from here. So now after you have chosen these values, you need to click on OK, and now you need to try to choose the 5 GHz network. Also, if none of these options have worked with you, you may need to change your adapter or buy a new Wi-Fi adapter. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.